Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will continue to talk about the euro currency. In general, on the chart of the daily chart of euro currency, there's just single important moment for us. Well, as you remember, yesterday we discussed the importance of that area, because this is really was the important area for the further development of price action. This is previous highs, monthly pivot point around 144.7. I do not have it on this chart. Weekly pivot point, and we said that if market will hold in that area and continue move to the upside, then our bullish scenario is intact. If market will break the weekly pivot point, break that area, that was the conference support also on the hourly chart, then probably the future of the upward continuation will be under question. So that has happened due to the important macro data about the downgrading of the Portugal rating by the, as I remember, Moody's Investor Services for the four grades, and the warnings about the Spain and Italy has led to that plunge on the market. Market really just during the some hours has shown that solid thrust moved down. From the other point of view, we said yesterday that this leg from that ABCD pattern, ABCD, this leg is extended because this is 127 extension of the AB. And in general, when the market accelerates to 127 extension directly without any retracement, any respect of the 618 100% targets. Okay, so and now we said that we couldn't exclude that market could show some deeper retracement to the 142.52, 142.50 area. So that has happened. Market now has hit that area and stands just above it. The red line on the chart is the MACD indicator, MACD predictor. By the Jod Nepal, it shows us the trend. The price action is above it, trend is bullish. When price action below the red line, trend is bearish. Now we can see that market and the MACD predictor comes in play in the current environment. So as I always say, that when this has happened, we could expect some kind of stop grabber pattern that could lead to the reversal of the market and continuation move to the upside. This could happen in general, but from the another point of view, I think that currently this is not the great situation for the entry on the long side of the market, because market has shown really strong area, strong bearish engulfing pattern. Now it has confirmed it, but this plunge down, well, market has moved below the weekly pivot point. So before entering on the long side of the market, and if this will be some context for that purpose at all, we need to see some patterns on the daily time frame. Probably the stop grabber, if it will appear right here, probably it would give us some confidence that probably market could pull back from that there and continue move to the upside. Well, but currently I do not see any bullish patterns, and that's why I think that during today's trading session we could focus only on the intraday charts and try to make some trades on the intraday charts. Still, yesterday, tomorrow, if you remember, there will be the non-farm payrolls release, so probably market could become in today's trading session with the waiting of the important numbers on tomorrow. Okay, now let's shift to the daily hourly time frame, 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour chart. You can see that market from that point A, B, C top, market accelerates directly to 100% extension. Now turns some sideways consolidation. Well, very often market has shown 50% or 618 retracement from the last swing. In our case, this swing down, when it accelerates right to the 100%. So the potential for the current trade, I think that only on the short side of the market, because market could show some retracement to that area It's around 143.40 in terms of futures quotes, or it could retest the weekly pivot point, and that for our confidence resistance 143.58, 143.68, that area. So this could be the chance to try to enter on the short side of the market. The most attractive thing in this enter is that you could place the very tight stop. So if you are enter, for instance, from the 143.40, you can place stop just about 143.70. So right here, that's just 30 pips. The target of this potential move, I suppose the weekly pivot support 141.92, and 1618 target from that A, B, C tab. Pattern 141.81. This is some kind of agreement. Two different targets, support and extension target, stands in the tight range. So I think that this could be the next target of the potential move down. Because if you can see the strong plunge, sideways consolidation, strong plunge, just 3.8 retracement. It's very shallow retracement from that swing down, okay, where we enter on the long side of the market, and that had allowed you to exit from your position. And as you can see, the moving stops to the break-even is not a bad idea, especially if after that pulling back, this strong plunge down is followed. Okay, you can see that really nasty candles to the downside, very strong, open on the high, close on the low, open with the high, close on the low. This is really shows the strong bearish short-term environment, bearish bias on the market. So on the hourly chart, we could see what we should to watch for to enter on the short side of the market. You can see that this the same areas of resistance. Take a look at that. A, B, C bottom, 100% extension, ABCD retracement, stands precisely in an area of the 50% resistance from that swing down. Or market could show some deeper retracement and retest this weekly pivot point and this confidence resistance. Anyway, if market is really strong, it should not break that area, it should not return back in the area of that retracement. So you can see this previous low, acceleration. So market should stands not higher than that area. Okay, so that's to watch for. Probably if market will show some retracement, and in general this very often happens when the market, as I said, accelerates to the 100%, it could show some retracement to the upside. Okay, and watch at that area 143.40, 143.60 area, or testing of the possibly weekly pivot point from the downside. Okay, that's will be the area to watch for entering on the short of the market. Stop could be placed above that area, somewhere above 1618 target, I suppose, maybe 143.80, somewhere right here. The target, as we said, 1618 extension, 141.80, 149.90, roughly 142 area. It's right here. Okay, so not bad trade if it will realize, because as I said, now we could focus on intraday short-term trades, because the market in general will be waiting for non-farm payrolls release on the tomorrow trading session. Okay, so be careful, keep your risk reasonable, and let's see what will happen. Will our scenario realize during today's trading session or not?